Hey guys, I'm back. I'm here to show you the results of my body scrub. You guys really should think about purchasing this. Our prices are not expensive at all. I'm gonna wash my face with this, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have like really good shiny glowing skin. I have a nice glow and tan to my body other than these bruises that I have. But this is our all-purpose, all-natural body scrub. It works for insect bites, skin irritations, anything that you can think of that your skin is like irritated by or something. If you have a sore, a scab or something like that, you can put this on and I swear to you, it will be healed within like 2 to 3 days. My little sister is a freaking proving, what is it called? I'll have to clip the video. I'm gonna have to clip that part, darn.
Clip your what?
I'm gonna have to clip this part. Yeah, I can't even get this open. Shit. Screw it. I'm gonna have to go ahead and use this one. This is the same one right here. This one should be easier to open because I've been using from it already. Alright. Alright, so I just normally wash my face with this in the morning. Don't come in the video. You can use it as a mask, or you can just do it like a normal face scrub wash. I like to let it sit in a little bit, make it do some extra work, and you know, try not to get in your eyes because it does have sodium in it and it does burn. I made a mistake and got it in my eyes. It's even good for lips. If you have dry lips, it's a lip exfoliant. Like I said, this is an all-purpose, all-natural body scrub slash face mask. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off now. My skin feels so freaking soft. Trust me, you guys do not want to miss out on this scrub. My gosh, it's so soft. Alright guys, also I wanted to talk about my diet. I'm still doing the boiled egg diet and drinking apple cider vinegar. I've been walking around in a sports bra to show my stomach and kind of motivate myself to continue to stick to the diet and lose weight. I am actually adding in a workout routine, but I'll probably be talking to y'all a little bit about that later. Other than that, fuck, I don't know what else I was supposed to tell them. I don't know what else.
Your hair product?
Oh yeah. I never got to show you guys my hair. Once again, my hair is very chemically damaged. I've had this stuff sitting in my hair for the past 2 days since I first uploaded the video. And my curls are very moisturized. What I'm going to do now is brush it out. I'm going to go ahead and brush it out. And then after I brush it out, I just like to let my hair air dry because it's the best. My curls come out the best when I do it that way. See, my hair hardly is even tangled. It's just a little tangled, not much. Also guys, this is a hair growth product. So I want you guys to watch the length of my hair now, and then within the next couple of weeks, you'll see a major difference. So that's how long my hair is. I'm gonna go ahead and part it. It's so soft, guys. I love how lightweight this is. The oils that I've added to it, it doesn't leave behind a thick film. Your hair doesn't feel too heavy. It's still light and flowy. And it's not weighing it down too much. Also, my knot's going down. I don't know if you guys noticed it. Kind of excited about that. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and leave my hair just like this. I'll post a picture or a video later on of the results after it's completely dry. And you're going to see the difference of before I put this in my hair and afterwards. I don't know why, but I feel like my hair has already grown a little bit since I've had it in. Look how healthy my roots look. Once again, that is my deep conditioner. It's all natural. This is it here. I gotta get some lids for my jar. But you guys should definitely purchase this. This is like Miracle Grow. Alright guys, that's all I have to talk about today as far as my hair. I'll be back posting in a few more minutes about my garden. Alright, see you soon, the Golden Goddess.